Guys, welcome back to plumbingpartspro.com. Today we're going to look at the Mansfield toilets. This is the Alto model, and this comes in a couple of different options. It comes in the round front, the elongated, and the ADA or tall version. This one today we're looking at is the tall one. It has the elongated bowl and the tall bowl for comfort height, basically. Now we're going to get a little closer look, and what we've got here is a good quality toilet. And believe it or not, this is one of the only toilets now made in America, and that's kind of unheard of these days. So if you're one of those people that like to support American made products, this is probably the way to go. Take a measurement on this tank lid across the back. You're looking at about 20 inches across the back and 8 1/4 inches deep. You gotta be careful. This tank lid is available by itself. Some people that tend to work on their toilets alone may drop this, butterfingers, and end up breaking it. So let's put that in a secure place. Now if you notice here, this toilet has 3 bolts down here at the bottom. Most of your toilets only have 2 bolts side to side, and that causes it to wobble sometimes. This gives it a nice stable base. We got the fill valve, the flush valve assembly, tank lever, and float ball. I kind of like this flushing system because there's no flapper assembly with a chain. Sometimes when you use that flapper comes up, that chain gets hung up, and it won't drop back down. The water's just going to run and run and run your water bill up. This is actually very simple. Flush it up, straight back down, up, straight back down. It's a real easy system to work on. It just takes one little small seal in the bottom when it's leaking. It's about a $2 seal. All the parts are available in the number 08 fill valve kit. Let's get a better look at the height of this thing. The height is going to be about 16.5 inches tall, and that is about 1.5 inches taller than your standard regular round front toilet or your elongated toilet. Once you add the toilet seat to it, it's going to give you another 3/4 inch or so, and that'll bring it up to around 17.5 inches. Makes it kind of easier getting up and down. This is the Mansfield 160 tank, and it's the 137 ADA bowl. I'm going to have a listing below for a few different options of this toilet for you to purchase. I'm going to have the ADA tall. I'm going to have the round front, regular height, and then I'm going to have a link if you just need the tank only. That is available. The 160 has the chrome tank lever, and the 180, the only difference between the two is the 180 matches the color of the tank, so it would be a white tank lever. If you guys have any questions, certainly give me an email, info@plumbingpartspro.com. My link will be down in the bottom. Also our website, plumbingpartspro.com, and give us a subscribe. We got a lot of reviews coming up. Thanks a lot, guys.